Welcome to the Crafty Queen channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this plate rack for only $4. These are the Dollar Tree items that I'm going to be using: 2 plungers and 2 packs of the 6-inch wood dowels. And I'm also going to use this free paint stir stick that I got from Lowe's that I had just laying around. After you remove the sticks from the plunger, I found that the best way to get the labels off the stick is to use the flat side of a knife and just scrape it off. Then I use my saw to cut off the spiral connecting parts to the plunger. I took the plunger sticks and then I measured every inch on the plunger and marked it with my pencil. And then I used my drill to drill a hole at each of those markings. Now this was the hardest part, trying to get the holes straight. I didn't really do the job very well, but practice makes perfect. My second one came out better than the first. Now you can drill as far as you want, but I stopped a little less than halfway. I just pretty much drilled until I was able to make sure that the dowels would fit into the hole. And once I was done drilling, I used my hot glue gun to put a dab of glue inside each hole, and I followed it up with a wood dowel. Then I used my paint stick from Lowe's, and I used the back of it to mark 2 sections of 7 inches, and then I cut it into 2 pieces with my saw. Now you can use an extra 2 or 3 wooden dowels if you want to make a connection and bridge the 2 bars together. However, I already had these paint sticks just laying around, so I thought I'll put some use to them. So then I just hot glued them to the bottom of each of my plunger sticks. I loved how this plate rack came out, and I especially love the fact that I only spent $4 making it. I really needed something like this because all the racks that I've seen at the stores could only hold about 5 to 6 plates, and I wanted something that could hold all of my plates. I didn't have room in my cabinet to buy multiple plate racks, so I also ended up making 2 of them. The other one I used to hold the lids to my pots. This was a smaller project to a much larger project of me organizing my kitchen, and you guys have got to check out that video. My pantry came out looking amazing. You're going to see it on the end screen coming up soon. And I want to thank you guys for watching me today, and be sure to catch me next time. Bye.